Let's quickly do a mock test on Indian national movement, which is the part of Indian history. The main weakness of revolt of 1857 was the lack of external help, discipline among the rebel soldiers, modern weapons, united and coordinated efforts by rebels. So, what was the main weakness? Uh, External help. The prominent nationalist writer in Marathi was. Who was that writer? Okay, Subramanyam Bharati. The Indian Association sponsored an All India National Conference in Calcutta. Okay. During the Indian freedom struggle, who of the following raised an army called Free Indian Legion? Okay. In the beginning, the moderates in the Congress ought political process through. Which of the following was not authored by Annie Besant? Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of World Religious 1893-94 Act. Who is remembered as the pioneer of economic nationalism? Who among the following participated the least in the Indian national movement? In the 19th century, India's struggle for independence was a national movement because okay. Who among the following drafted the Resolution of Fundamental Rights for Karachi session of Congress 1931? The Indian National Congress and the Nationalist of Bengal firmly opposed the partition of Bengal because it led to the estrangement of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who called it a parting of ways with Congress, went back to the separate election and formulated his famous 14 points. The reference here is: consider the following statements about Madam Bekaji Kama. Okay. The formation of an interim government set up on September 2nd, 1946 were ever envisaged by. Consider the following statements relating to civil disobedience movement. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in. The Indian National Union was formed in 1854 by. When was the Theosophical Society found? The earliest figure in the awakening of modern India was. Okay, let's see what the results are. Now, the main weakness of the revolt of 1857 was united and coordinated effort by rebels. So, all the people who were against Indians, the soldiers, they were united and coordinated. The prominent nationalist writer in Marathi was Vishnu Shastri Chiplankar. The Indian Association sponsored an All India National Conference at Kolkata in 1883. During the Indian freedom struggle, who of the following raised the army called Free Indian Legion? Subhash Chandra Bose. In the beginning, the moderates in the Congress ought political progress through prayers and petition. Which one of the following was not authored by Annie Besant? India Old and New. All these three books, How India Fought for Freedom, The Future of Indian Politics, The Case for India was written by Annie Besant. Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of World Religions in 1893-94 at Chicago. Who is remembered as the pioneer of economic nationalism? R.C. Dutt. Which among the following participated the least in the Indian national movement? Princely states. In the 19th century, India's struggle for independence was a national movement because it united people from different classes and sections of society who sank their mutual difference. Who among the following drafted the resolution on fundamental rights for the Karachi session of Congress? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian National Congress and the Nationalists of Bengal firmly opposed It led to the estrangement of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who called it parting of ways with the Congress, went back to the separate elections and formulated his famous 14 points. The reference here is to the Nehru Report. Consider the following statements about Madam Bikaji Kama. Madam Kama unfurled the national flag at the International Socialist Conference in Paris in 1907. Madam Kama served as private secretary to Dadabhai Nauroji. Madam Kama was born to Parsi parents. The formation of interim government set up on September 2nd, 1946 was first envisaged by Cabinet Mission Plan. Okay. Consider the following statements related to civil disobedience movement. By the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, the Congress agreed to suspend the civil disobedience movement. By Gandhi-Irwin Pact, the government promised to release all political prisoners not convicted of violence. Okay. The first session of Indian National Congress was held in Mumbai. Indian National Union was formed in 1854 by A.O. Hume. Okay. Indian National Union. Okay. Indian National Union was formed by A.O. Hume in 1854. When was the Theosophical Society established? 1875. And the earliest figure in the awakening of modern India was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay. So I hope this video would have been very informative and you must have learnt a lot of good lessons from this.